Welcome back. So today we do matrices and end the chapter, nothing else. Very short chapter it was. So we'll do operations and matrices today. So let's begin. So now we do addition of matrices. Addition of matrices is really easy. Really easy. For addition of matrices, first condition we have to have is the two things we are adding has to have the same order, meaning we cannot add this, we cannot add this. Why? That's the rule. So when, let's say, I have a matrix Aij and plus minus Bij, what do? Let's take an example. 2 3 4 6 plus 3 2 9 4. Now how to add this? Simple addition, simple addition, nothing but you do that. You take this spot, first spot, you just add it. Then take the second spot, just add it. Then take the third spot, as many spots there can be. Then what do? Then you add it. Then you take the last spot that is here and you just add it. This will be your answer, nothing else. Now you would say this same question, 2 3 7 4 minus 7 3 2 9, for example. How to do it? Exactly the same way. 2 minus 7 is how much? Minus 5. 3 and 3 0. 7 and 2 5. 4 minus 9 minus 5. This is my answer. So this is addition and subtraction. Really easy. Just add and subtract the corresponding terms. Understand? So I think we should do a sum now, no? Let this be the sum. If A is this and B is this and D is this and A plus B minus D equal to 0, then find D. So as you can see, if A plus B plus minus D is equal to 0, can't we write D is equal to A plus B? So D is nothing but we have to add A plus B. So A is nothing but I have the sum beside me, that's why I can write 3 5 6. 1 second. 5 6 plus minus 3 minus 2 1 minus 5 4 3. 1 second. So now we have to solve this. I checked it, it's correct. So now if you add 1 and minus 3 minus 2, 2 and minus 2 0, then 3 and 1 4, 4 and minus 5 minus 1, 5 and 4 9, 6 and 3 9. This is my solution. This is D. This is D. Answer done. This is basic. Now we talk about a very important thing is that is called multiplication. It's not easy like this. वो term हम multiply कर दिया हो गया. No. First condition. If A is an M cross N matrix, then B has to be an N cross P matrix. Meaning the number of columns in this has to be equal to the number of columns in this has to be equal to the number of rows in this. Understand this? Understand? Now let's actually and the resultant matrix that will be the answer will be M cross P. समझ नहीं आना? Went over the head, I understand. Let's do a sum, otherwise how will you understand? Now let's see, I multiply a 2 cross 2 matrix into 2 cross 2 matrix, so the resultant will also be 2 cross 2. not let's do one thing, let's do a 3 cross 2 matrix. No, let me actually find an example, because let's give it from the book. If I make it, it may be tough for many people, understand? So let's actually find a sum from the book, and we will do that sum from the book, then it's okay. So here, as you can see, here a is given as nothing but, this is the first thing, 1 minus 2 3 minus 4 2 5 into, you have to find 2 3 4 5 2 1. Understand this? This is nothing but a 2 cross 3 matrix, and this is nothing but a 3 cross 2 matrix. So the resultant will be nothing but a 2 cross 2 matrix. That we understand. Now how to actually do the multiplication. My thing, how I do it, is really easy to remember. It's very easy to remember if you want to do. First thing what I do is write the first matrix. Here 1 minus 2 3. This is a trick, remember that. You can do it in the exam also, nobody will say anything to you. Then you write the second matrix here, 2 4 2, then 3 5 1. So it will be a 2 matrix, so there will be actually free spots here, understand? Now what to do? What will fix in this spot will be nothing but this into this in a special way. What you have to do is nothing but, you have to take the first element and multiply with the first element 2, then take the second element with the third element and add it. So it will be plus minus 8, then this into this, and it will be a plus 6. So how much will this be? 0. So we will put nothing but 0 here. Next we will take what? 3. See, this thing is coming, this like that. So we'll do what? 3 into 1. Once again, let me. So it will be nothing but, in the next part it will be nothing but 3 into 1 minus 10 plus 3. So it will be nothing but minus 4. Then when you do this and this, so 2 into, let me actually erase this part. So it will be nothing but first 2 into minus 4, that is minus 8, then 4 into 2, that is plus 8, then 2 into 5, that is plus 10. So this part it will be nothing but 10. And now we'll do this and this. So this will be nothing but 3 into minus 4, that is minus 12, then 5 into 2, that is plus 10, 5 into 1, that is 5. So this part will be nothing but 3. This is the simple way how to do this. Nothing else. Done. Multiplication is this much only. Wow, so much less. And you cannot divide matrices, that's a fact. So we have done matrices, and minded one thing, that BA is not equal to AB. Also, is not equal to AB. Mind it. Because if you see one thing, AB will be a 2 cross 2 matrix, while BA will be what? 3 into 2 into 2 in, see, B is 3 into 2 and A is nothing but 2 into 3. So 2 gets cut, it will be a 3 cross 3 matrix. So these are not same, remember it. So now let's do one sum to end the chapter at once. With this sum we end the chapter, and see this type of sums come in the exam where you have to solve a equation in matrices. So here it is a very important sum, that it is given that A into B is nothing but I3. What is I3? Identity matrix of the order 3. I already told you this. So if you can see very clearly on the first note only, I can say you one thing to you, that this thing is a 3 cross 1 7. This thing is a 3 cross 3 matrix. This thing is a 3 cross 3 matrix. The resultant will also be a 3 cross 3 matrix. And now I taught you how to do this. I'm not doing it. You have to do it on an exercise. Try to do that using that method. Okay, using that method. So you have to find x plus y in this thing. Okay, so first one will be nothing but 1 into 1 plus 0 0 0. Okay, first one will be 1. 1 second, because I have to also match it. Okay, so now if you do it, if you see the second row, what will we do? This thing, it will be nothing but minus 1. 1 second, did I put it 0? Yes, 1 will be there, so there will be a minus 2 plus 2 0. So here it will be a 0. Then next one will be y plus x, meaning x plus y. This term will be x plus y. Next here will it will be, you have to do it on your own. I can do it because I have solved many sums, but you have to do it on your own when you practice. So it will be 2 plus 1. Now 2. What am I doing? What am I doing? Once again, 0 into 0, 1 0 0 0 0, everything will be 0. Next one, 0 1 0, it will be 1. Next one will be 0 0 0, everything 0. Next one will be 0 0 0 0 0. Next one also 0 0 0. Next one will be nothing but 1. So now it is told that this thing is equal to I3. And do you know what I3 looks like? If you remember what was identity matrix, it will be 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 0 0. So this part is x plus y. I can equally, if it is equality, I told you what, every element at a position of the both the things will be equal. So x plus y will be nothing but equal to 0. You have solved the sum. Wonderful. So like this we end the matrices. Okay, bye. So bye, and nothing else to say, and like, share and subscribe, and keep spreading the content.